All right. On today's 30-minute mechanic, we are going to mess around with the green car, trying to figure out why the anti-theft thing is blinking the light at me. Blink, 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 blink. And maybe try to get that rectified. So buckle up. Let's go. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm going to show you what it's been doing to me. So I get in. I don't know if I need that light on. Boop. Yep, let's turn it back on. Boop. Okay, got a key. And put the key in. Normal little ding, ding, ding. Turn the key. And turn. And we get nothing. And see our theft light's going blink, 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 blink. Hey, stupid, blink, 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 blink. And so I've tried just about everything the internet has to say about it. Oh, try this. Put your steering wheel all the way down. Oh, turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. Oh, just all kinds of stupid stuff. None of it worked. So I'm going to go straight to the source today. Right back here to the back. If I don't trip and fall over stuff on my way here or hit my head on this. I'm always banging my head on that thing. Okay, we're in the back here. I'll get you set up here in a minute. But our anti-theft hoochie-doo, brain, box, whatever you want to call it, module is back here. It's behind this deal. Just whoops, let me just get my light where you can see. It's right back here. There it is. Got a bunch of wires going to it. So we're going to do a little bit of probing, a little bit of checking, and maybe a little bit of bypassing to see if we can get our starter to starter again. All right, and here we are. We're in the trunk on the left side of the car. And let's see if we can get this thing. Yeah. See what I'm doing. Another one of those plastic hoochies right there holding this thing in. What's going on here? I don't know where my readers are. Maybe if I move my light. Oh boy, much better. What's going on? Won't they come out? Oh, there it is. Helps if you actually put the tool on the thing you're trying to remove. All right. This thing is behind here. Let me get out here where we can see what we're doing. I don't know if you can see what we're doing. But, guess what I forgot to bring with me? My wiring diagram. That's an interesting deal there. Let me time out, and I'll go get my wiring diagram. Time out. Time in. Okay, y'all almost let me screw up and leave the battery plugged in while I was doing all this stuff, or connected. So, and I did get my readers too, and man, it's a good thing they're wire, because I have bent these things into a pretzel. They were really bent. Got them kind of straightened out now. All right. We got us a little wiring diagram here. You can kind of see that. This is from where? I think I got it from All Data. They got good stuff. Now, these Fords, they have two different anti-theft systems. One is the PATS, the PATS, passive anti-theft system. That's with the key. That's the key deal. There's a module up under there, under the steering column that recognizes the key and tells the ECU, okay, you can let the motor run. Okay, well, it doesn't play into what we're doing here because my ECU doesn't care. I have aftermarket ECU, so it doesn't care if the PATS thing sends a code to it. So we're clear on that end of it. This is the standard anti-theft deal. And did I just pull out the wrong one? No, this will work. And this shows the starting and charging circuitry. You've got the, I don't know if you can actually kind of see that. Your white with your pink comes from your clutch pedal switch. Whoop. And then it goes, if you got anti-theft, the white with the pink comes in here. And then if everything's cool, hey, then it sends a signal on to the starter relay. Well, what we're going to do is basically do this side. We're basically just going to jumper our white with the pink to our red with the light blue, just to see if that thing is what our problem is. I think it is. And I've tried all the things, like I said, turn the wheel, do this, unlock it, lock it, get out, lock it, do the hokey pokey and whatever, and see if it'll come back. And I'm not having any luck with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive in. And if this fixes it, I'm probably going to just bypass the starter interrupt on this because I don't really want that. I mean, the other anti-theft stuff, honk the horn, flashlights, yay. But the starter interrupt, I'm not too interested in interfering with my life any longer. Now, the biggest problem here is going to be figuring out what I did with my sheet. Great. I have another sheet that has all the anti-theft stuff on it, but I didn't bring it back. Let's just look for our white with the pink. It's not going to be this connector. That connector is for something completely different. Maybe I can unplug it. Gosh, maybe not. Get that before I can get my arm off. What is happening? How's all this stuff hooked together here? What? Oh my gosh, really? Where's the other side? Oh, okay, there's our interesting. Aha! Spin this thing around where we can see it. I think we're going to be in this connector right here. If I can ever get it to unplug. Stop twisting wrong way. Okay. Kind of pull that. I don't know if you can even remotely see. Actually, you can. Look at that. We're going to pull this connector out a little bit here, or if we can get to it. Let me go grab a $10 box knife and we'll cut some of that winding off of there. Out and back. Now, man, one of the things I was going to do out today, my spark plug wires came in. I was going to put plug wires on the red Mustang, and which I started doing, but for the life of me, I can't find a scenario where all the wires will reach their plugs. And so I just got frustrated with it and said, I'm going to go play with the green car. And here we are, playing with the green car. All right, here's our bundle of joy. I don't see anything that is a, oh, no. Is it white with pink or white with purple? Come here. It says white with pink and then a red with a light blue. Well, now. White with pink. I don't know about you, but I don't see any white with pink in that mess there. I don't even see a red. There's a red with an orange. I don't see a red with a light blue. What is happening here? Did it trick me? What is going on, folks? I don't know. There's no white with the pink. There's a whole bunch of other colors of white with the yellow. I mean, this is where this thing is supposed to be. Huh. I may have to go back and check my other diagram. So white with a purple. Okay. Oh boy. Time out. We got to go do some looking. Okay, I'm back with the other wiring diagram here. And yeah. See, there's a red with an orange. Got that. Pink with a black. Looking for a white with a pink. Still. That is really strange. Let's see if we can get this other. Let's get these other connections. One of these deals. Pink with an orange, pink with an orange. Okay, this guy. All right, I think I'm learning something here. This guy. Red, orange, pink, black. Pink, black, pink, orange. Pink, orange. All right, that keyless entry. So where is our, this isn't our module, is it? One of these is a keyless entry. Wow. I may be completely barking up the wrong tree. It said it was in the left side in the trunk, so I popped this stuff open and thought, hey, well, there it is. Maybe that's not it. There's not anything else back here. Stereo stuff. Nothing else back here that would make me think that it was the init theft deal. So let's continue peeling wires here so we can look at some colors and figure out a few things. Wow. Didn't realize this was going to be this big of a deal. There's an antenna. Get my screwdriver. That one's out. See if those colors show up anywhere. How about a green with a yellow? Green with a yellow. Yeah. I don't know what it is. There's the green with the yellow. Still no white with a pink. Okay. Purple, green, red, black, black, and so all that stuff. My goodness. Well, literally just left myself more confused than I started out. Than when I started. Okay, I'm literally so confused I don't know anything. All right, it's going to do it for 30-minute mechanic today. Frustrating day. Tried to jack with plug wires, can't get them to fit right. So I decided to work on this car and found what I thought was the anti-theft module, because that's where they said it was. Wire colors are not matching my schematics and it just doesn't look right. I can't figure out what's going on. So I went ahead and made a video because some days it's just frustrating in the shop. I cut my finger, bled all over the place. Good thing Jonathan has some Band-Aids back here from 1967 or something. They barely stick, but they keep me from getting blood all over everything. But just a frustrating day. So I'm going to bail. I'm going to go home, eat some dinner, kick my feet up, hang out with my wife. So y'all be sure you check the description. Check out my friends' channels. But for me, like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.